Okay, today we're talking about this nonsense from mainstream about ram pressure stripping, which shuts off star formation in galaxies, astronomers say. Let's have a read. Okay, the study of 10,567 galaxies shows that their gas, the lifeblood of star formation, is being violently stripped away on a widespread scale throughout the local universe. During their lifetimes, galaxies can inhabit halos of different sizes, ranging from masses typical of our own Milky Way galaxies to halos thousands of times more massive. As galaxies fall through these larger halos, the superheated intergalactic plasma between them removes their gas in a fast action process called ram pressure stripping. According to a team, removing the gas from galaxies leaves them unable to form new stars. That's the only correct bit about that whole thing. Galaxies are so far apart, it is absolutely unbelievable, and none of them are falling through anybody else's halo because it's impossible, as I've showed with an ouroborus torus ring inside of water. Now, what is actually happening? Well, the heavens are disappearing like smoke. And I'm going to show a ram stripping zoom in video at the end of here because they've lied about what they're showing and rotating it to stop you from understanding what's going on. So let's read their rubbish and then I'll give my interpretation. On the contrary, what ram pressure stripping does is to bop the galaxy on the head and remove its gas very quickly, of the order of tens of millions of years, and astronomically speaking that's very fast. Alright, bopping things on the head, wow, that's so sciencey. Alright, here's a quick analogy. When you have water and you have a pool of something on top of matter, if you keep pouring more matter into that pool, which is what a galaxy is, it's a energy beam with matter in the centre of it, as I've been showing with several of my ouroborus torus field videos. Now what happens if you put in too much matter? It starts to sink. It's a matter-energy relationship, as I showed with my equation m plus e plus l equals life. It's a matter-energy relationship, and once the matter accumulates and there's not enough energy, it will return to its source to get more energy. Now do you see that picture on the bottom right there? You see it all sinking. So what's actually happening is energy is being removed, energy is lowering, and so the galaxy is drifting apart. Energy is actually being pulled back to the source of the energy. And how do I know this? Well, the video that I'm about to show is kind of a lie because they like to rotate it so you don't understand which direction it is travelling. I'll call out the rotation. There's one full rotation of this video which makes it look as if the galaxy is pointing in the opposite direction when in fact it's pointing back to the centre of the larger galaxy. And why would it do this? Because energy and matter, goes back to the source when it needs energy, same as a asteroid coming back in. So notice the rotation. They're going to give you one full rotation and then show you the galaxy, then they're going to back it out. You have to understand that the galaxy is actually facing the galactic centre due to the facts of the rotation, but they've tried to hide this rotation as if to say that the galaxy is moving off in a different direction. No, energy is retracting, and so matter is pulled backwards to the source that is retracting. Understand that. So they've rotated the picture a full 180 degrees and shown that it's facing away. So we saw it the other direction a minute ago. Now they've rotated the whole picture and it's facing away from the centre. But now as we reverse out, you're going to see the picture flip 180 degrees, which means that's actually facing the centre of the galaxy. So no, the heavens are disappearing like smoke as energy is retracted from the centre of this galaxy. And so all matter will be pulled back to the centre, and then once the energy is turned off, it'll just go poof, as I have shown. So no, nothing is ram stripping anything. Energy is retracting and pulling matter back in. Why do you think we're having earthquakes here as our EM field shrinks? Because matter is going back to the source, which is the centre of the planet. Energy shrinks and pulls in. Thanks very much. My name is Lee, and I follow the Christ Jesus, and all science is backwards and upside down and completely wrong. Thanks a lot.